Alright, in this video we are going to demonstrate the setup and the cutting with this on-car brake lathe. Because of the way the cutting tips go on the rotor, we have to remove the caliper so that this can gain access to the rotor. In order to connect the lathe to the rotor, an adapter will be required. There's several adapters that come with the machine for different lug patterns. In this case, we're going to use this adapter. It has an 8-lug pattern. We're going to slip it right on. Once you've got the adapter bolted up to the rotor, we need to be sure to get this pin into the hole that's on the adapter. Once it's in there, go ahead and turn this knob to bolt it down. There's a wrench included. Just give it a little bit of a tightening. Doesn't need to be too tight. That should be good right there. This machine will compensate for the runout that is on the vehicle. In order to get it to compensate, you have to ensure that this is in the vertical position. Once that's vertical, we turn the machine on. And this light needs to be green. If it's not green, you'll press this button, and it just tells the machine that it's level. Then you're going to press this button, and it's going to do the compensation. Okay, once the machine has taken its readings for the runout, we're going to compensate for it by adjusting this adapter. You do that just by turning this knob and watching these bars. Our goal is to get 2 green bars right in the middle. All right. Now that the runout is all accounted for, we're going to bring the cutting tips into position. There's a few different adjustments that this machine can do. This knob here will bring the cutting tips back and forth along the face of the friction surface. To adjust the width of the cutting tips, you turn this knob, and the individual one is going to be done by this. So you'll unlock there. By turning that, it'll bring it in and out. Unlock there, turn the same knob, and it brings it in and out. Okay. Okay, we're ready to make the cut. To do that, we're going to turn the machine on. And we're bringing it up to about 100 on the speed. You'll adjust your tips so they're just touching, just cutting. Okay, and then you twist this, and it's going to bring that out to make the cut. Once it's finished cutting, remember to put your non-directional finish on there with sandpaper. And your cut is finished. Now that it's all done cutting, we're going to take it all off. Once you get it off, remember to wash it with soap and water, then you can reassemble it and return it to the customer.